Ji Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you people are fine and doing well with the blessings of Almighty Allah. This is Abrar Ahmed Bhatti. Today we are going to discuss one of the compulsory subject of BBA, MBA, MCOM and even for the MS level degree, that is strategic management. Let's start. So first slide provides outline which includes origin of strategy, different definitions of strategy, different definitions of strategic management, how strategy is managed, nature of strategic management, benefits of strategic management, and characteristics of strategic management. So here we have origin of strategy. So strategy is derived from Greek word strategia, which means generalship, which denotes exercising military power. Well, the word strategy has nothing to do with Greeks because the word strategy first used in World War II, but Greeks still took the credit of this word. So strategy, a word of military origin, refers to a plan of action, which means strategy is theoretical in nature. So it is designed to achieve a particular or specific goal. In military usage, strategy is different from tactics. Like tactics are concerned with the conduct of an engagement. Tactics are concerned with the conduct of an engagement, while strategy is concerned with how different engagements are linked. So, as I said, strategy is theoretical in nature and tactics are practical in nature. Strategy is a plan of action and tactic is the action or activity. Let me explain this by example. In military, you have heard about attacking strategy or defensive strategy. So, if 10 army personnel are going to attack an enemy camp, the suggested plan of action might be attacking strategy. Here comes the linkage, integration of engagements between the 10 army personnel. In other words, they will become a unit. So, as I said, conduct of engagement is tactic that might be shoot at sight. In other words, this is the action performed by these 10 army personnel against their enemies. Let's take another example of cricket, where Australians are famous for their attacking strategy. So every batsman, bowler or fielder will play attacking game, and when it comes to tactics or conduct of engagement, you people better know their performance in the ground. So we have definitions of strategy. So according to Alfred D. Chandler, strategy is the determination of the long-term goals and objectives of an enterprise. So here the first thing is to determine your organization destiny or what organization want to achieve through measure of progress, which are the goals and objectives, through measures of progress, which are your organizational objectives. Further, the definition states the adoption of the course of action and furthermore allocation of resources necessary for carrying out these goals. Next, we have William F. Gluck, who states that a strategy is a unified, comprehensive, and integrated plan. Here, unified means combined or consolidated, and comprehensive means thorough, extensive, or complete, and integrated means interlinked or merged. So, such a plan of action that relates the strategic advantages of the firm to the challenges of the environment. It is designed to ensure that the basic objectives of the enterprise are achieved through proper execution by the organization. Here, strategic advantages means competitive advantage, competitive edge, or niche. You may heard about these terms, all carrying same meaning, that bringing success to the organization. Now coming to the definitions of strategic management. by different authors. In 1984, Gluck and George stated that strategic management is a stream of decisions and actions. Stream of decisions and actions which lead to the development of an effective strategy or strategies to help achieve corporate objectives. This definition represents strategic management as a set of decisions and activities. Those decisions and activities that allows organizations to formulate competitive strategy or strategies to achieve their objectives. In 1988, Pierce and Robinson stated that strategic management is the set of decisions and actions resulting in the formulation and implementation of plans designed to achieve a company's objectives. This definition added the second stage of strategic management process, that is implementation of plans after formulation. In 1997, Fed or Davitt provided us the more enhanced version of definition and states that strategic management is a process of formulating, implementing, and evaluating. In other words, here these are the three stages. So, formulating, implementing, and evaluating. What? That is cross functional decisions, integration of activities, interlinkage of engagements, as we already discussed, that enable an organization to achieve its objective. Further, in 2002, Johnson and Scholes stated that strategic management includes understanding the strategic position of an organization, making strategic choices for the future, and turning strategy into action. This definition focuses on another aspect of strategic management process, that is analyzing strategic position of an organization by environmental scanning, in which we apply different techniques for internal and external environment analysis. So such a detailed analysis enables organization to make strategy and then turning this best strategy into action. The last definition is from Des, Lumpkin and Taylor in 2005, states that strategic management consists of the analysis, decisions and actions an organization undertakes in order to create and sustain, formulate and maintain competitive advantages. Now, if we summarize all above definitions in the form of one definition, I would say strategic management is a systematic scientific process of formulating, implementing, and evaluating cross-functional decisions or integration of activities or different functions of departments to create and sustain competitive advantage of the firm. Thanks for listening. That's all for now. May you get some benefit of it. In case of any query or confusion, you may contact me through email or WhatsApp. At last, do subscribe and like my channel and share with all. Take care of yourselves and others. Jazakallah.